Well, good evening, beautiful artisans. Welcome to my channel, Echo Art with Carmella-T. So, we create here with all recycled materials, fabrics, and supplies. And if you're new, jump on board, join us, make some suggestions or comments. I love to hear from you. And it's totally free. If you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your comments. I love that you love this blanket. So look, this blanket came out about 30 by 30. It's a beautiful, beautiful blanket. And I put little tassels on each corner. This took me several hours. That's all it took me. It didn't take me 8 or 10 or any of that. It's several. And I was kind of bopping up, doing things in between. I didn't even work on this today. I had a number of other things to do. I worked on it tonight, just a little while ago, just to get the last round in and get the tassels on. The next blanket, I'm going to do another blanket for North Carolina and then send both of them down at the same time because this is 30 by 30, so it's kind of like, a medium small. It can be used for a chair, maybe as a shawl, or, it's super soft. So this will be lovely. And there's a number of yarns I want to share with you before I begin the next blanket. We're going to do the same. We're going to make a giant granny square, and you're going to see how fast it goes. With that, if you have any questions, let me know. I used a size 11 and a half hook. I did your typical granny square, and then I just continued. And that's all I did. Your guide when you're going around doing your rounds, or when you get to your corner, you see that you have 2 sets of 3 double crochets. That's always where you're going to do 2 sets of 3 double crochets in that space, and you will make with chain 2 in between. And then as you go along, and some of you saw on that video, I was just doing 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the next space, chain 2. And that is how I did it. Came to my corner, did my 2 3 double crochet sets with a chain 2 in between them, and that was it. So it moves super fast. It's lovely. And I'm happy that I shared it with you. And yeah, so we'll go over some yarns tomorrow. And with that, you have a beautiful evening.